आपसे बात कर रहा था कि अगर
यस सर।
कोई
यस
भी
प्लीज
आदमी,
कंटिन्यू।
मतलब कि इतनी इतनी जल्दी कई बार लड़कियां विश्वास कर लेती हैं। कोई आदमी थोड़ी सी दोस्ती के बाद कहता है, उसको प्रपोज करता है और कहता है मैं आपसे शादी कर दूंगा। और इतनी बात पे वो लड़की उसका विश्वास कर लेती है, और विश्वास करके आई मीन शी बिकम्स सबमिसिव टू हिम। और लड़का उस चीज के बाद फायदा उठाता है। बाद में पता लगता है वो ऑलरेडी शादीशुदा है, उसके दो बच्चे हैं।
बहुत केसेस होते हैं इसमें, तो कुछ नहीं कह सकते हैं। आजकल अगर न्यूज देखा जाए तो नॉट ओनली मेल, इवन फीमेल्स आर आल्सो डूइंग दिस, एंड दिस इज नॉट गुड फॉर, नॉट फॉर लाइक दैट मेल एंड फीमेल, फॉर दैट फैमिली। उस फैमिली को इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, कल्चर को इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, सोसाइटी को इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, जो चैलेंजेस होती हैं। देयर आर
मैं
लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स। यस सर, यस सर।
मैं विनीता जी आपको सिर्फ एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ। मैं मेरे कुलीग्स भी फीमेल रही हैं। मेरे अंडर भी बहुत फीमेल एम्प्लॉयज काम करते थे। इवन मतलब कि दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में भी फीमेल हुआ करती थी। तो मैं सबको एक ही चीज कहता था कि ऑन ड्यूटी आई एम योर बॉस एंड यू आर माई जूनियर। वी कुड बी फ्रेंड आउटसाइड, बट यहाँ पर आई एम द बॉस, यू आर माई जूनियर, यू हैव टू लिसन टू मी व्हाट आई से। आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि हाँ भाई ये मुझे मुझसे ज्यादा काम करा रहा है। नहीं, फॉर मी यू आर ऑल इक्वल टू बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स। अगर एक लड़का गार्डिंग कर सकता है, एयरक्राफ्ट गार्डिंग, तो आपको भी करना है।
करना है, बिकॉज वी आर सेइंग दैट वी आर इक्वल। तो इक्वल में बेशक आपके अंदर फिजिकली वो ताकत ना हो, बट मेंटली यू शुड बी ऑन दैट लेवल, दैट यू शुड टेक द
Yeah.
रिस्क ऑफ टास्क। एंड यू कैन डिनाई कि वो मेल है तो वो कर सकेगा, मैं फीमेल हूँ, आई कांट डू दिस ऑन दैट लेवल, बिकॉज वी आर लुकिंग इक्वलिटी इन सैलरी, वी आर लुकिंग इक्वलिटी इन प्रोफाइल, वी आर looking equality in education and everything. So we are also supposed to do the same work. And even you can see, sir, there are many companies where bosses, senior authorities are in females, right? Manager, DGM, GMVPs, CEO, they are the female and they are running the business, right? But I also believe that the technique, the
Right.
male, my sentence could be a bit controversial, but yes, I have seen the male have a quality to handle the things. Every female does not have that quality. I don't know why, but I feel that difference. The slide, being a female, I always say this, that the male who handle the things, the situations they are handling, every female that cannot handle the situation in that way. That I believe in my 20 years of experience and in my lifetime, I have seen it, right? Everywhere. So that's really very nice. And why I ask this posh question, sir? I also do the posh training, and whenever we go for the training, I'm not sure how much you have experience, but I have always, when I am training the people, I have trained the people from all age group and industries also. So I've seen they have this, question. There is comparison, right? Why this rule and policies for female, right? So we have to make them understand this has been made because female has suffered more and still they are suffering, and male can be a victim, but female are more victim in that cases. This is the reason the policy has been made. So, sir, what do you see in last 40 years of experience? And as you saying, you are more than a decade you are in training. So, what differences you have seen in the training of the different? As you said, you are in soft skill training, you are in aviation training also, and you are in post training also. So, what differences you have seen in the training, sir?
Vinita, the difference which has come up in the training before 2004, I mean, before 2000, all these trainings were not, they were basically by the word of mouth. कोई ट्रेनिंग का कोई सिस्टम नहीं था। जैसे जिसको ट्रेनिंग आती थी वो वैसे ही करता था। I'll give you a small example. In 1991, after putting about 10 years of service with Air India, I was sent for the basic course after 10 years.
Okay.
Now, that was a stupidity of, but in 7 days, we were not taught anything because there was nothing in writing. And within 7 days, we were just given a paper of different abbreviations in the aviation industry. That was the only paper which was given to us.
Okay.
Now, gradually, after say 2000, it became that these things should be in a materialistic form. That means it should be in a written form. Now, this, I believe, had started after 2004 because when I did my instructor's course, it was a thorough booklet was there. It was thick, so thick booklet was there. We had to go through that book, and most of my instructors have done that course for 1 month, but that was concise course for 10 days. That means the course which was supposed to be done in 30 days, we completed in 10 days, and I cleared that examination. So the training systems gradually became materialistic. It was something which is known, we now call it as a PDF file. It is in written format also. It is the PPT is also there. There's nothing extempore which is given to the students. Now the students also want everything in writing, whatever is being taught to them. So the changes have come within, say, 20, 25 years. There's a huge change of systems. Now, if you see, पहले सिर्फ 4 वो हुआ करते थे, डोमेन्स हुआ करते थे, टीचर, ट्यूटर, ट्रेनर और इंस्ट्रक्टर.
Yes.
अभी तो खैर बहुत सारे डोमेन्स हो गए हैं और कई बार तो पता भी नहीं लगता कि वो
पता भी नहीं
डोमेन
लगता.
करता
You
क्या है.
you you have a senior trainer, then you have an assistant trainer, then you have mentor
अब
also after the training who will guide and coach you on floor in live duty. So we
राइट.
call it on job duty, that after the training and certification you go and still you are under observation and people are having there for you to support you, guide you. There are regular audits, check, and they share the feedback. They share how to improve in this thing. Ideally, this is a good plan, sir. I believe that, earlier there was only one training, and after training, you just hit the floor, whatever roles and responsibilities you are doing. So, like as a doctor, as after MBBS, you become a doctor, you work as an intern, right? You are working under some doctor, senior doctor, as an intern, you are under supervision. That's becoming a good doctor, right? Because while you're taking those things critical with critical, option, because we connected through the life of a person. Similarly, all the works are having either it is related to business, customer satisfaction, or it is related to the profit or loss of the company, time management. So we see that if making one mistake and wrong commitment can create the problem for the company as well as for the employee, also can go in a legal matter also. So going through the training and certification and then having on-job training is like you are working for some period like 1 month or 2 months and 3 months as an intern, and then you are being coached and guided and you have mentor there to help you. That's a good idea, I believe. And the changes here, yes, definitely I see. Like when I joined, I used to get the thick book over there, like you said, and handouts for this. But nowadays we are giving books in a very less manner. We share the soft file because people do not like to carry the books and read and change the pages of the books, right? They want in soft copy because they believe it is easy to access anywhere and everywhere, and so you are absolutely right here, sir. And this your input is very good, and I believe that your experience and 40 decades is really very nice. And I will say I'll appreciate. So you should train to us for more and more for this, right? And you get more work, I believe. And because this experience, this learning from the scratch to knowing the current things is really a very tremendous experience, each and everything, right? So just definitely, so for that, would you like to share any of your contact detail here so people can reach out to you after this program?
Yeah. Vinita, I just want to give a small suggestion to
Yes,
the
sir.
upcoming trainers or even the trainers which are already working. I would tell them that they should always keep on updating themselves, upskilling themselves.
Very right,
Unlike
sir.
doctors, if the doctors just become MBBS and doesn't go